Ever feel like you're constantly battling your finances? You're not alone. Between bills, subscriptions, and those surprise expenses, keeping track of your money can feel like a never-ending uphill climb. That's where financial management apps come in. They promise to be your knight in shining armor, slaying the dragon of disorganization and helping you achieve financial bliss. But with so many options out there, it's hard to know which one to choose. One app that's been gaining traction lately is Rocket Money. It boasts features like bill tracking, automatic bill pay, and even negotiation assistance. But here's the real question: can you actually use Rocket Money for free and take control of your finances without spending a dime? Let's dive deep and uncover the truth behind the Rocket Money curtain. Free features, taking control of the basics. The good news is that Rocket Money does offer a free tier. It might not be the most feature-rich experience, but it's a solid starting point for anyone looking to get a handle on their finances. Here's what you get with the free plan. Bill tracking. This is the bread and butter of any financial management app. You can connect your bank accounts and see all your upcoming bills in one place. No more scrambling to remember due dates or missing payments. Budgeting tools. Rocket Money offers basic budgeting tools to help you categorize your spending and track where your money goes. This can be a real eye-opener, especially if you're unsure where all your hard-earned cash is disappearing. Financial insights. Get basic insights into your spending habits. See which categories are draining your wallet and identify areas where you can potentially cut back. Think of the free tier as your financial training wheels. It helps you get comfortable with managing your money and understanding your spending patterns. Level up, exploring Rocket Money Premium. Now, if you're looking for more advanced features, Rocket Money offers a premium tier with some enticing benefits. Automatic bill pay. Schedule automatic payments for your bills, ensuring you never miss a due date and avoid late fees. This is a lifesaver for anyone who struggles to juggle multiple bills and payment deadlines. Bill negotiation. This is where things get interesting. Rocket Money claims to be able to negotiate your cable, internet, and phone bills on your behalf, potentially saving you money each month. Identity theft protection. Get basic monitoring for identity theft, giving you some peace of mind knowing your personal information is being watched. Free versus premium. Is the upgrade worth it? The decision to upgrade to Rocket Money Premium depends on your individual needs. Here's a breakdown to help you decide. Do you struggle with remembering due dates and making bill payments on time? Automatic bill pay can be a game changer, saving you from late fees and potential credit score damage. Do you feel like you're overpaying for your cable or internet? The bill negotiation feature could potentially save you some serious cash, especially if you haven't renegotiated your rates in a while. Are you concerned about identity theft? While the basic protection offered in the premium plan might not be super comprehensive, it's a good starting point. Beyond Rocket Money, exploring free alternatives. It's important to remember that Rocket Money isn't the only player in the financial management app game. There are several excellent free alternatives out there that offer similar features. Here are a few to consider. Mint, a popular choice with a user-friendly interface and robust budgeting tools. Personal Capital, great for tracking your net worth and getting a holistic view of your financial health. NAB, you need a budget. This app uses a unique budgeting method that can help you take control of your spending. The bottom line, can you truly manage your money for free? The answer is yes, absolutely. While Rocket Money's free tier might not have all the bells and whistles, it provides valuable tools to get you started on your financial journey. Remember, the key to managing your money effectively is developing good habits, not relying solely on an app. Here are some additional tips to consider. Track your spending manually. Even if you're not using an app, keeping a simple spending log can be incredibly revealing. Set realistic financial goals. Do you want to save for a vacation, pay down debt, or build an emergency fund? Having clear goals will help you stay motivated. Review your budget regularly. Your financial situation is constantly changing, so adapt your budget accordingly.